Africa and hello Internet. This is Inspire Africans Ahead. I have a provocative question for you. Why do Africans in the continent and abroad, despite their incredible talent and potential, often struggle with collaboration? Why is xenophobia a problem in South Africa? Is it a lack of trust? Is it deep-seated fear of competition? Or something more ingrained like wivu, which is Swahili for jealousness? Why working together sometimes feels like an uphill battle? Why is it like that? Have you ever seen an amazing project or business idea fizzle out? Not due to lack of skill, but because people just couldn't work together. It is a frustrating reality many of us have witnessed. Is wivu just an excuse, or is it a powerful, often overlooked factor hindering collective progress? Or what is the problem? Well, you can prove me wrong, but I think Africans in Europe or anywhere may not help one another due to a range of factors. Perhaps socio-economic challenges that create individual pressure to survive, or competition for resources, or the complex and sometimes exploitative relationship that can form between migrants and broader political and social environment, I don't know, or internal division among African communities, perhaps caused by issues like ethnicity, nationality, or differing experience with Europe or America or anywhere. Or shame or failure. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think some migrants feel a sense of shame for not achieving their goals in Europe, which can lead them to a reluctancy to engage with others. They think maybe others will remind them of their struggles or something. All in all, we Africans have to work together. Where there's unity, there is victory. So this is just my perspective and opinion. If you have a different opinion, please let me know in the comment below. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.